Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I will show you in this video how to connect a PS5 controller to PC through DS4Windows. So first of all, of course, the first step is going to be actually pairing your controller through Bluetooth if you have a Bluetooth adapter. So you're going to the devices settings in your Windows, then you press add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth. In the list in here you will have your DualSense controller. Make sure then to press the options and the Sony logo button at the same time. After that, your controller will appear in this menu and you will be able to connect it. After that, after you've paired your controller through Bluetooth or with a wire, make sure to press on the start button. As you can see, I have stop. Press on the start button, and after that your connected controller will appear here in the list. As you can see, I have two controllers connected in here, so DualShock 4 and DualSense right over here. After that, go to the settings and copy my settings in here, in this window, as so. Pause the video if you need to adjust everything. After that, go to the device options and make sure to set the support for DualSense controller. In our case, it's DualSense. If you do not tick this button, your DualSense might not be recognized, so this is absolutely mandatory. Do not forget to do this. After that, click on Start, and in here, basically, you need to go to the profiles. If you're new, click on New Profile, and just assign all of the buttons in here. Select your dead zone. We have a different video on how to set the dead zone. In Other, make sure to choose the emulated controller to Xbox 360. Set the Bluetooth pull rate to 1000, and that's it. Your controller will now be working. Thank you for watching this small video, guys. Subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.